Hello everyone. In this video, we are talking about the core field of mechanical engineering. For simplicity, I have tried to break into common five sectors. First one is a core engineering and design sector. First role is a mechanical design engineer, which uses CAD to create blueprints for part or machine. Next one is design technician, which is specialized in technical drawing and 3D modeling using some tools like SolidWorks or AutoCAD. Next one is a product development engineer, which manages the journey of product from a idea to a physical prototype. Next one is a R&D engineer, which focus on innovation, testing new materials, and exploring new mechanical theories. Our next sector is manufacturing and robotics. First one is manufacturing engineer, which optimize production line to increase efficiency, reduce wastage, and improve the quality of the product. Next one is a robotics engineer, which design, build, and program robotic system for industries like healthcare, defense, and logistics. Next is the automation engineer, which integrates sensor, controller, and software to create the smart factories. Next one is the mechatronics field, which is a hybrid role combining mechanical, electrical, and computer engineering to create complex and automated system. Last one is the quality control engineer, which ensure manufacturer product meets the specific safety and performance standard. Let's discuss about the automotive and aerospace sector. First one is the automotive engineer, which design vehicle system like engine, chassis with a heavy current, focus on battery thermal management. Next is the aerospace engineer, which works on the design and maintenance of the aircraft, satellite, and the spacecraft. Next is the powertrain engineer, which specializes in the component that generate power and deliver to the road. Next one is aerodynamics engineer, which use CFD to study how airflow works around the vehicle to improve the fuel efficiency. Our next sector is energy. First one is a renewable energy engineer, which design, maintain wind turbines, solar tracking system, or the hydroelectrical plants. Next one is the HVAC engineer, which is specialized in environmental system for building, ensuring air quality and energy efficiency. Next is power plant engineer, which manages the mechanical operation of large scale energy facility like nuclear, gas, or steam. Next is a thermal engineer, which focus on heat transfer and thermodynamics, which is crucial for the cooling electronics and industrial machinery. Our last field is emerging roles. This role intersect with other high-tech fields like AI, biology, and data science. First one is a biomechanical engineer, which design artificial organs and robotic surgical tools. Next is a materials engineer, which develop and test new materials like the smart materials that react to environmental changes. Next is a maintenance engineer for robotics, which use predictive maintenance powered by AI to fix machine before they break. Next and the last one is digital manufacturing or industry 4.0 engineer, which use advanced MLs system to design, optimize, and manage production system. Let me know in the comment which suits you best and follow Gauge How for more such content.